My people, how na dey? Now welcome to today Ogboges News. My name is Sireme A.U. David, the Mialu one of the universe. Before we go inside the new detail, in case you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, at the time to subscribe now be this one. Subscribe so that you will get as we dey upload. My people, today we talk about ready to the Cittadinanza. That is the citizenship income, especially this one concern people when they Italy. But in case you know they Italy, you fit still share am to your brother, your sister when they Italy, make you understand wetin e go do. This one especially for those who get ready to the Cittadinanza, or you get any bonus when it be say you don't fair do 2020 or before 2020. So I dey give you information for now, and in case una wey wan still do, una fit still listen make una know how una go take do una own. So for you when it be say you don dey receive Cittadinanza, last year many of you when it be say the government come dey give una small thing wey una take whole body, wey come be say una come fit dey do some things wey una no fit dey do before. So last year don end. The exam when it be say you do last year, e don end. Now you need to do another exam. You need to go another exam. The process when you first pass take go do the exam, you need to go the same process now. You go to bank, go collect your statement of account, go to CAF, then they will come update your exam for you. Upgrade your exam now. You fit upgrade until January 31st. If you don't pass January 31st, they not go pay you for February. So you need to go upgrade your exam so that February they will fit pay you. But if you never fit do them before the 31st, they fit still pay you your January. If you not affect this January, they will pay you your January. But for February, they not go pay you. So I dey tell you now so that you quickly run down and go and do your update your exam, because if you not give them by this January 31st, if you not upgrade your exam, you not go get the money when they give. They not go give you for February. So you need to run now sharp, go do your own so that you get your money. In case you never fit do it this January, just I said before, you not go affect them. They will still pay you your January. Make it not go be say they pay you January, go say now lie that they talk. They not go pay what they say they not go pay. January they go still pay you, but February you not go get them. Not let that thing make your body come they form you, say you day, you withdraw you day. You never reach 31st, they still pay you. You will say why you David talk and say they not go pay, they go pay you January, but from February they not go pay you. And they tell you now so that make you go update and down. And for some people when it be say una get the comment when they say now they hear and I don't know how now to do it. Sharp if you get postpay or any of the bank this thing where you get, you just go to your bank, tell them they give you statement of account, they give you. So when they give you statement of account, you go to CAF. Go to CAF, any CAF, just go there, tell them say you want to do exam. After they don't do exam for you, you can't use and do the Cittadinanza or any of the bonus when you want to do. So you need this. But in case you not get bank, because many people get this issue, say I not get bank, I not the I never feel open bank, I not get resident, I never feel open bank, I not go do. People when never do get resident, or people when no get bank account, they never feel open account, then they do. What you need to be say you go to CAF, tell them say you never get any bank account, never feel open a bank account, but you want to do is the CAF they go do one for you. CAF will do one for you. In case you have any challenges, you know what to do. You call AU David, you reach out for us for any of our social media handle. We will assist you to see how you will fit do am. So my people, I say make I go give una this information. Say if you not do am, you go get palaba, kasala go burst for inside your pocket. If you no wan make your pocket go dey shake one leg, you better run now, make you go do am. My people, na so we see this one reach. Now we say we come tell una. Till then, make una remain blessed. God go dey bless una as una dey waka dey go. Amen somebody.